Now I'm in GitHub again, but one thing I must point out is that I'm no longer the collaborator Git demo session, but I am JRB28, who is the owner of the repository. That is, I'm the person or the GitHub identity that created the repository. And you'll see when I log into my GitHub that at the top of the screen there's an area that says pull requests, and it says that I have one pull request that I need to take a look at. And so I click on pull requests, and I can see there that somebody updated github.py, and indeed it was done by the user git demo session, which is my other GitHub identity. So I'm going to click on that and see what's going on. If I would have made a comment to JRB28, the owner of the repo, it would have shown up here, but I didn't do that. So we're going to scroll down, and there are a lot of different permissions that you can set to actually approve the pull requests, but we haven't set any of those in the repo, which makes it easy for me to approve it. You can see here that just like the Git demo user saw, this branch has no conflicts with the base branch. It's going to be easy to merge. And so what I do as the owner, click the button that says merge pull requests. And basically what I'm doing with this is I'm taking all the code that Git demo session created in this new branch called new_branch_GDS, and I'm merging the code in that branch, the changes, back into the main branch. So I want to make really sure that this code is good before I do this, and because this code is now going to become part of the main branch, which, as we said at the very outset of this exercise, is the branch that we have our good functioning set of statements in. So you should do a bunch of checks usually. I'm not going to do those here just to demonstrate the process. So I'm going to click on this button, Merge Pull Request, and I have to click on Confirm Merge, basically to say, are you really sure? If I wanted to, I could leave a message up here. I'm not going to do that in this demo, and I'm going to instead directly click on Confirm Merge. At this point, the branch new_branch_GDS, all the changes in it have been integrated in with the main branch, and so I don't need that branch anymore. And so the best thing to do at this point is to delete the old branch where the Git demo session user was doing their revisions, which is what you can do by clicking this button right here that says delete branch, and you can see it references the new branch_GDS right there. So delete branch, and now I can leave a comment here that describes the change that was made here. Defined a function used in a data frame dot apply statement to create a new data frame column. And I should be precise here and mention what the name of the function was and which apply statement it was, what the column was that it created, but I can't remember what those were right now. Again, just for demonstration purposes, I'll type a less than specific comment here. You'll see that while I was typing, the green comment button here became solid green, and so now I can click on that, and I have some documentation on what the change was. So now we're done. We can go back to the GitHub underscore toot main page, and you'll see that now it's indicated that we only have one branch, which is the main branch. And so we successfully created a branch, did some code development within that branch, and then merged that code back into our main branch. And that is the main workflow that goes on with GitHub, and we never ran the risk that the good functioning code in the main branch was going to be broken.